Hello everyone and welcome. I am Irene, your guide to navigating financial challenges with smart budgeting tips. Today we are tackling how to survive the cost of living crisis with a practical money saving routine. Stay tuned till the end for some life-changing tips. First, let us understand what is happening. Prices are rising on essentials like grocery, housing, and utility. This means your money needs to stretch even further. Let us jump into setting up a budget. Start by listing your income sources and all your monthly expenses. Be honest and thorough. Remember, tracking every dollar is a key in a crisis. Now, identify where you can cut costs. Look at non-essential like subscription, dining out, and luxury items. Even a small reduction can add up to significant saving. Adopt smart shopping habits. Use app for discounts, buy in bulk, and choose generic brands. Plan your meal weekly to avoid food waste and last-minute expensive takeout. Consider boosting your income. Look into side gigs, sell unused items, or use your skills for freelance opportunity. Every extra dollar can be directed toward your saving. Utilize financial tools and apps to keep you on track. Automate saving is possible, and regularly check your budget to adjust as needed. As a conclusion, implementing this step can make a huge difference in your financial well-being during a crisis. For more tips and tricks on managing your finances, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I am Irene, helping you make smart money move even in dull time. Catch you in the next video. Be blessed.